This cage comes straight from the abyss, right? Where it's happy, sad, often tragic. But we're still here, right? Testament to our metal. It's a celebration, not a suffering. So anyway, welcome. And thank you. To all my supporters, thank you. To anybody new, welcome. Today we're doing Nick Cave, right? To finish up the three. Leonard Cohen, Tom Waits, Nick Cave. We're on Nick Cave now. I did the other two. Google all three. They're great. This is Nick Cave, Nature Boy. So, let's check it out, guys. Come on.
I was just a boy when I sat down to watch the news on TV. I saw some ordinary slaughter, I saw some routine atrocity. My father said, don't look away, you gotta be strong, you got to be bold now. He said that in the end it is beauty that is gonna save the world now. And she moves among the sparrows, and she floats upon the breeze, and she moves among the flowers, and she moves something deep inside of me. I was walking around the flower show like a leper, coming down with some kind of nervous hysteria. I saw you standing there, green eyes, black hair, up against the pink and purple wisteria. You said, hey nature boy, you're looking at me with some unrighteous intention. My knees went weak, I couldn't speak, I was having thoughts that were not in my best interest to mention. And she moves among the flowers, and she floats upon the smoke, and she moves among the shadows, and she moves me with just one little look. You took me back to your place and dressed me up in a deep-sea diver's suit. You played the patriot, you raised the flag, and I stood at full salute. Well, later on we smoked a pipe, struck me dumb and made it impossible to speak. As you closed in slow motion, quoting Sappho in the original Greek. And she moves among the shadows, as she floats upon the breeze, as she moves among the candles, and we move through the days and through the years. Years pass by, we're walking by the sea, half delirious. You smiled at me and said, babe, I think this thing is getting kinda serious. You pointed something and said, have you ever seen such a beautiful thing? Well, it was then that I broke down, it was then you lifted me up again. As she moves among the sparrows, and she walks across the sea, and she moves among the flowers, and she moves something deep inside of me, and she moves among the sparrows.
Okay, so that was Nick Cave, Nature Boy. Song's pretty damn awesome, right? It's got everything, man. Great song. And I appreciate anybody that supports me. Please comment, like, subscribe if you feel like it. Anyway, thank you for checking it out. One world, one race, one love. Share your heart. Start with yourself. We're all in this together. KJ, peace.